Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of ridiculous. Not deserving of mockery or invitation to derision. Absurd. For example, when you realize how ridiculous these scenarios are, you will have to laugh. American pronunciation. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Ridiculous. Say. Ridiculous. Ridiculous means deserving or inviting derision or mockery. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Ridiculous origin. Mid-16th century. From Latin ridiculosus to ridiculous, laughable, see ridicule. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. I am sick of hearing the ridiculous arguments about civil liberties and tradition. Now, repeat after me. I am sick of hearing the ridiculous arguments about civil liberties and tradition. The second practice. The idea that smokers take more paid breaks than non-smokers at work is ridiculous. Now, repeat after me. The idea that smokers take more paid breaks than non-smokers at work is ridiculous.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.